Hey everyone, Camila from Voogy here. Let's learn how to set up an email campaign, which are playbooks. So under the automation tab, click on playbooks and yours is going to be probably empty. So you can just click on add a new playbook. That's where we're going to define the settings. So firstly, name your email campaign. So taking back our example that we're trying to target marketing agencies in the US, let's just write exactly this for our own reference. So marketing agencies, USA, Boogie intro, because we're going to be introducing ourselves to those companies. That's the schedule feature. It's not enabled yet, but once it is, you're going to be able to set up the time zone of the city or region that you're trying to target. This is super useful because you don't want to be sending emails in inappropriate times, like midnight, for example. Maximum a number of emails per day and contacts per day. Some email hosts, they do set a limit of emails that you can send, so you can use the same limit in here. Make sure that you don't send over 2,000 emails per day, because if you do, you might get spammed. Uh, this next feature, auto activate pending contacts. Basically, what this means that if you want to target, for example, 10,000 contacts, you're not going to be sending 10,000 emails at once. So you can send, for example, 100 emails at once, and gradually it will be sending until it reaches all the 10,000. So once again, you're not spammed. Make sure you always activate this option here to add an unsubscribe link, so you don't have any troubles with privacy, data privacy laws or anything like that. Lastly, we have advanced settings. You can mark the contact as finished, so you don't keep retargeting them in case they don't reply in, for example, 5, 6, or 7 days, 1 week. That's it in this step. Now just let's click on create playbook, and you're going to be able to see here on the top of the list your new email campaign. Now let's actually build the content of the emails that you're about to send. So let's click on add new step. And here you have some options. This auto email is where you're going to actually write the automatic emails that Voogy will be sending on your behalf. But you can also be notified to write a manual email, for example, or to call, or you can remind yourself or your sales team to make any task that you want. You just need to write a note here of what you need to do and then hit save. This time interval is considering when you have to do this, when you have to make a call for that lead. So this is going to start from the day that you're on. So if today, for example, is December 4th, and on December 6th, you want to call or send a manual tailored email, you can just specify here, select the mailbox that you want to be sending the email from, and hit save. Same for calls and for tasks. You just set up when you want to be reminded. But for this purpose, we're going to be using the auto email. So this is our first email of the sequence. I want to send it on the same day that I'm in 3 hours. I will select the mailbox that the email will be sent from and the schedule that is going to be enabled soon. Then I'll hit save, and that's it. The step 1 of my automation is done. So now I'm actually going to write the email that I want to send. So, hi, first name, from company name. So you write a more personalized message to your contacts. And then you can write whatever you need, your sales speech, Hi, I saw that you visited a few of my website pages. I'm wondering if you're interested in booking a demo, so on and so forth. You can simply write all the message here and click save, or you can save this message as a template so you can use the same copy again in another email automation. Once you hit save, you're going to be able to find all your email templates here in the top corner of the screen. So for example, introduction email, it's already done. I can just edit a little bit if I want or use it as it is. And then I'll hit save. And the first email of my sequence is done. I will do the same thing for the next emails. So I'll just set up when I want to be sending this second email of the sequence. So within 2 days, I want to remind that contact that we're still interested in booking a demo. So you just repeat the process, click on add new template, write your personalized message or simply choose from an existing template, hit save, and that's it. You can build your campaign with as many steps as you want. To activate this series of email, don't forget to click here and turn it on so your automation starts. And to whom this is going to be sent, we're going to define on the next step. This is just the structure and the content of the emails of your automation campaign. So thank you for watching.